My name's Ty McLauchlin. I'm from Hickory, North Carolina. And my major is aviation and my minor is sports management. I've always been into planes, just never really know what I wanted to do with it. My neighbor is actually a pilot for UPS, and one day he was like, why don't you just come up, I'll take you around, see if you really do like it. Went up in the plane with him, and just as soon as I was in the sky, it was just like, this is what I want to do. Sophomore year came, and I was like, let's do it. So I'm actually just doing it right now, and it's just the best decision I ever made. So of course you're going to start off with your basics. When I first started, I really didn't know anything. Like I said, everything's brand new to me. So when I go up in the sky, they're teaching me, you gotta know your surroundings at all times. You gotta know how far away from the airport at times, because you always gotta practice safety issues. And now I'm on my cross country. So now I'm going from airport to airport. So I flew from LaGrange to Anderson the other day, and I'm hopefully that's gonna set me up to do it solo here in the next couple weeks. It's a full-time job for sure. Doing football and doing aviation is one of the hardest things I've probably ever come to, but you can do it. Just gotta put your head down and study.